Hey Wheesearchers, it's me Howard. Welcome back. Today we are celebrating St. Patrick's Day, and we felt there is no better way to celebrate this holiday than to let our vlogger Carly speak, because she's Irish. So, over to you, Carly.
Thank you so much, Howard, and happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. My name is CarlySmashesLipstic, and I am a featured vlogger here on the Wheesearch Beauty channel. Here at Wheesearch, we believe that everyone is beautiful, and that makeup can empower, educate, and inspire. Makeup has the ability to transform us and captivate us with tools just at our fingertips. It's the way that I express myself, and I'm able to tap into my history and my personal experience through an art form right on my face. I have always felt close with my Irish heritage. I grew up listening to the folk music of Ireland and listening to stories and fables about Irish history and culture. It always fascinated me. St. Patrick's Day is one of my favorite times of the year. We get to see all the spring flowers blooming and the weather's starting to get warmer, and we get to celebrate what it means to be Irish. St. Patrick's Day provides the opportunity for people of Irish descent, or those of us who wish we were Irish, to attend and join in the imaginative and expressive celebrations. To me, makeup is just that, an imaginative, expressive celebration of all that is you, every part of you. We wish you all the luck in the world and whatever your wild heart desires. Let your spirit roam free and your imagination take you to new far-off places, like the distant green hills of the Emerald Isle. Istial in the era, benachtain na féile pád Sláinte.
Thank you guys so much again for watching. Make sure you hit our subscribe button, thumbs up this video if you liked it. Leave a comment letting us know how you will be celebrating your St. Patrick's Day. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. If you didn't already know, Wheesearch.com is in beta and you can get a VIP exclusive look. There's a link in the description and a code, so you can come on in and join the party. Thanks so much for watching, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye!